Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today, let me say 2 recipes of sesame seeds. So, where I am going to do sesame seed barfi first, then later I will be showing you sesame seed milk. For sesame seed barfi, let us take a kadai and into this I am going to add 1 full cup of sesame seeds here. Now, let us just dry roast all these sesame seeds for a while. Keep it on medium flame and then keep on roasting this sesame seeds. After some few minutes, we will be getting a nice good flavor from the sesame seeds and it splutters. Then we can switch off the sesame seeds. We can switch off the stove and keep it aside. As we all know, sesame seeds has a good source of fiber and helps in digestion too. It lowers cholesterol and triglycerides also, which has a good nutritious source of plant protein also. Which helps in lower blood pressure, supports healthy bones, which is very rich in calcium, reduces inflammations, which has a good source of vitamin B also. My sesame seeds are roasted well. I am getting a nice flavor now. So in this stage I am going to off the stove and I am going to make the sesame seeds cool down for a while. On the other hand, let us take a saucepan and make jaggery syrup. For this I am going to add 2 cups of jaggery here, organic jaggery powder. Into this I am going to add required amount of water to make jaggery syrup. Keep the flame on medium flame. Into this I am going to add 4 crushed ilachi to get a nice flavor. Just give a mix with the spoon. And let it boil for few minutes. As we all know, jaggery has very good iron content and it is very healthy also when compared to sugar. So I prefer to use jaggery instead of sugar. See here, my jaggery syrup is almost ready. Let us wait until we get single string jaggery syrup. Now check the consistency of your jaggery syrup with your thumb and index finger. See here, let me show how to check the consistency of this syrup. You see, if you do like this, you should get single string. I think it is almost ready. You can see the single string getting from my thumb and index finger. Now place the kadai on the stove with the sesame seeds. Now we are going to add this jaggery syrup to the sesame seeds. Make sure that you are using required amount of jaggery syrup itself. Here I will be adding some dry coconut powder also. So I am putting here bit more jaggery syrup. Here I have taken 2 full cups of dry coconut powder, homemade dry coconut powder, now let me add second cup of dry coconut powder. Give it a nice mix. See, this consistency is going to become solid now. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee here to enhance the flavor. Now this consistency is totally perfect. Now keep it aside. Now take a plate. Into this add some 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and spread it. Now I am going to add this sesame seed mixture onto the plate and spread it well. Once you spread this on plate, keep it aside for couple of hours so it becomes hard. After couple of hours, use a knife to give a required shape. Here I am going to cut into square. See, my mixture is almost ready. See how thickened it is. You can even cut into square or diamond shape, whatever you require. Nowadays, usually elders will be suffering with knee pain, back pain and all. So, for these elders, this using sesame seeds is more important. So, here I am going to show one more recipe where I am showing you sesame seed milk. For this sesame seed milk, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds here into a cup. Make sure that to do this sesame seed milk, important step is you have to soak the sesame seeds for minimum 6 to 8 hours. So if you want to have it in the early morning, you soak it by night itself. If you want to have it by evening, soak it by morning itself. So now into the sesame seeds I am going to add some water. I think around 1 cup of water I am going to add here. Now we are going to add some almonds also into the sesame seeds. So here I have taken some 10 to 12 almonds here, where I have washed and kept it here. Now I am going to add some water to soak it. So let me soak this almonds and sesame seeds both for 6 to 8 hours. See here, after 6 hours my sesame seeds are soaked like this. Now even our almonds also got soaked, right? Now we are going to peel these almonds. If you soak these almonds, we can peel out easily. So take out the peel of the almond and put all these almonds to the mixer. The same way we are going to do the full almonds, total amount of almonds. I am not going to waste this water which I have soaked the almonds. I am going to use the same water to make sesame seed milk. Now see here, I have put all the almonds here to my mixture. Now I am going to add this sesame seed water and with sesame seeds also. See here, I am going to add the sesame seeds plus water to the same mixture. Just close with the lid. Give it a nice mix. Blend it for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the milk extracts well. Now our sesame seed plus badam milk is totally ready. As we all know, badam is very good for our skin also. See how nice is our milk. Now our sesame seed milk is ready. This milk we can transfer to serving glass. As we all know, sesame seed milk has 10 times more calcium when compared to animal milk. So try to have this milk weekly twice, which is more than enough. If you are feeding for kids this milk, you can add a tablespoon of honey also to give a nice flavor and sweetness. Now our sesame seed milk is totally ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like my videos and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video.